Hello everybody, welcome to another tutorial for LiveScore. An incorrect Java installation is a common issue many people face when trying to use LiveScore for the first time. In this video, we will show you how to fix this. First, make sure that LiveScore is installed and you have the LiveScore device in your Live user library. If you don't have LiveScore installed here, see this video for the correct installation of MaxScore and LiveScore. Let's check if the Java version is compatible. Here in the LiveScore folder, drag the LiveScore.java test device into one of the MIDI tracks. Click on Check Java. Here, if you see this message, there seems to be a problem with Java in Max. You will have to reinstall the Java JDK. In this example, we will fix the issue on a Mac with Apple Silicon. We would like to clear the existing Java installations on the computer. Open Finder, and from the menu, click on Go, and go to Folder. Here, type in /library, and click on Go. Scroll down to the Java folder, and go to Java Virtual Machines. Here you will see all your Java installations. To have a clean install, delete all items in the Java Virtual Machines folder. Enter the admin password if prompted. Now we will download the Java JDK. We suggest using OpenJDK from HOOU, but you can use any other version, including those from Oracle. In the LiveScore.java test device, click on the Download Java button to go to the download site. Or you can type in azul.com/downloads in your browser. Here, click on Download Now from the Zulu column and choose the operating system. We have Mac OS here. Then select the architecture if needed, which for us is ARM 64-bit. Select JDK for Java package. Choose one of the download options from the newest version. Here we choose the .dmg disk image. After downloading, open the disk image and double-click on the installer. Click Continue and enter your password if necessary. Now we have the correct Java version installed. Now, quit Live and Max if they are open. We will reopen Live. Let's check if our Java version is compatible. Drag the LiveScore.java test device onto a MIDI track again and click on Check Java. It says your Java installation seems to be in order. That's great! We fixed it! Let's also check if MaxScore is installed correctly. Drag LiveScore.viewer onto a MIDI track. Now we see that it is working. If you find this useful, please click on the like button. Or if you have questions or issues to report, please comment down below. See you in our other tutorials.